Dear student, welcome to you, Janata High School online class. Now, I am going to start my class. Let's discuss about narration by speech. At first, we learn what is narration. Narration means say something. Two kinds of narration. One, direct narration. Direct narration. Two, indirect narration. What is direct narration? Direct narration means the speaker say something directly, it's a direct narration. And indirect narration means the speaker said something to others indirectly, it's a indirect narration. Let's an example. Look at the example. Says, it's a repeating verb. Repeating verb. Reported speech. Reporting speech. Look, says repeating verb. He says to me this portion, repeating speech. I am happy, repeated speech. Remember it, repeating verb, repeating speech and repeated speech. If you want to change direct narration to indirect, you must follow this rule. Says repeating verb. Repeating verb, present tense or future tense in direct narration. In direct narration, the repeated speech sense there is no sense in tense. In direct narration, there is no sense in tense. Only you can use that in replace of inverted comma. You can use that replace inverted comma. If the repeating speech takes object, you can use tell or told as a repeating verb. Now, I change the sentence in indirect narration. He tells me that he is happy. The person of the reputed speech, the first person sends into the subject of the reputing speech. First person sends the subject of the reputing speech. Here the subject sends he as a subject of the reputing speech. Remember, all kinds of sentence in indirect narrations sends into assertive sentence. This is the assertive sentence. Now another example. Arif says to Kamal, you are right. Look at this example. It's a subject of the reputed speech. Second person, it sends into the object of the reputing speech. Arif tells Kamal that he is right. Here this subject sends into the object of the reputing speech. Another example. He says to him, he is well. He tells him that he is well. The person of the reputed speech, third person, there is no change. Third person, there is no change. Again say these rules. If the reputing verb present tense or future tense in the indirect narration, there is no change. There is no change in tense. Only you can use tells or told according to tense if the reputing verb take objects. Reputing verb take objects. Another rules. If the direct narration reputing verb past tense, in indirect narration the reputed speech sends into according to tense. Present tense sends into past tense. Present continuous tense sends into past continuous tense. Present perfect sends into past perfect. Write down on your khata. Present indefinite past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, present indefinite change into past indefinite, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous, past indefinite change into past perfect, and past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change in indirect narration. Can modal verb, can, could, will, would, may, might, must, had to. In this way, present indefinite tense and modal verbs change into past tense. Now, example about this. He said to me, I am happy. Look at the example, the repeating verb here, past tense. If the repeating verb past tense, the repeated speech change into according to tense. If the repeating speech change according to tense, he told me that subject of the reported speech changed into the subject of the reporting speech. He was happy. Dear students, I have reached the last movement. Now, home task for you. Write down on your khata. Home task. Number 1, what is narration? How many kinds of narration? Give example. I hope you will try at home. After that, see again. You know that the coronavirus already has broken out in an epidemic form all over the world. In this situation, you stay at home, eat balanced diet, follow the some instructions of the government. Thank you very much.